today's vlog. I'm at the famous Colaba Causeway Market today and I'm super duper excited to check out the new collection. So come on, come with me, and if you like the video then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Come on, let's get going.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So this is the first shop that I went to, and it had some beautiful pastel colored summer tops. All of them were priced between 300 to 400 rupees. There was a great variety of pattern in these tops, and they were all free sizes. These tops were just amazing for the summer weather. I just loved these beautiful dresses. They were all priced between 450 to 550 rupees, and they were all in beautiful colors like lemon yellow, sea green, light pink, beautiful pastel colors. I loved these basic white and black dresses, and they were just perfect for your formal wear and your cocktail wear. Like, these dresses had a beautiful fit and they were just great for evening wear. This guy had a great boho collection. Some beautiful bright colors like these kaftans were for rupees 650, and the set of a top and a shrug was for rupees 550. There was a great collection of bags in the market, and all of them were priced between 350 to 450. They were really chic, and these bags are really in vogue right now. There were some portly bags there too, and some wallets as well, priced between 150 to 200 rupees. There were some really pretty earrings in the market, and all of them were priced between 150 to 350 rupees. They were available in really beautiful colors. There was a great variety of western earrings as well, and they were priced between 100 to 250 rupees. I spotted some great footwear like these kitten heels were for rupees 650, and you could bargain and bring down the prices a little bit. There were a lot of chappals and bellies in the market as well, and they were priced between 200 to 400 rupees. I spotted some really cute tops which were also priced between 300 to 400 rupees. Again, I really liked this dress. It was just a basic white, and it was again priced between 350 to 450 rupees. This guy had some really nice party dresses, and all of these were priced between 500 to 600. This guy had an amazing variety of denims, like the skirts were for rupees 400, the pants were priced between 500 to 600, and he also had some great jackets which were all priced at 500 rupees flat. He also had some shorts which were again priced at rupees 300. There were some really nice party wear blingy bags in the market, all priced between 400 to 700 rupees. There was a great variety in these bling bags. There were waist bags, sling bags, and carry bags as well. These sneakers were priced between 300 to 400 rupees, and the chappals were priced between 250 to 400 rupees. There were some really nice crop tops, all priced between 300 to 400 rupees. There was a lot of variety in these sling bags, all priced between 350 to 450 rupees. I really liked this doctor bag, which was again for rupees 650. And all of these sling bags were also priced between 500 to 650. I really liked these big bags. They were just perfect for your casual wear, and they were all priced between 800 to 1200. There were some great neck pieces in the market, and all were priced between 200 to 400 rupees. This place had a nice variety of dresses priced between 350 to 500 rupees, and a nice variety of tops as well, all priced between 300 to 400 rupees. These spaghetti dresses are just perfect for the summer weather. All these skirts were priced between 300 to 500 rupees. There were short skirts as well as knee-length skirts. There was a lot of variety of pants and denims too, all priced between 300 to 500 rupees. All of these tops were for rupees 150 and there was a great variety in these tops. There were a lot of options of tops, all ranging between 200 to 400 rupees. Right in front of this shop, this guy was standing with kurtis and all of them were priced between 300 to 350 rupees. He had nice pants as well. This shop had a nice variety of jutis, all priced between 250 to 350 rupees. This guy had a lot of denim jackets as well as denim pants, all priced between 300 to 600 rupees. I spotted some great earrings which were just perfect for your evening wear, and these were priced between 150 to 250 rupees. And there was a great variety of these western earrings as well, priced between 100 to 200 rupees. I really like this black bag and he said it was for 750 rupees, and there were some nice blingy party wear bags as well. There were a lot of these scarves and mufflers and a lot of options of sling bags here. I checked out some caps and hats as well, as the summertime is here, so having a cap and a hat is a must. There was a nice variety of skirts, tops and dresses in the market. They were available in nice, bright, vibrant colors. There was a great variety of tops as well, all priced between 200 to 300 rupees. And these tops were available in nice fluorescent colors. There were some nice crop tops in the market, all available in nice light summer colors. There was a great variety of nice cotton shirts as well, all priced between 250 to 400 rupees. There were lots of crop tops available in the market in nice vibrant colors. All these summer tops were available between 200 to 400 rupees. Lot of summer dresses were there in nice floral prints, and all of them were priced between 300 to 500 rupees. There was a good variety of striped dresses available in the market too. All these spaghetti tops were priced between 200 to 250 rupees, and they are just perfect for this weather. These dresses were available in nice sizes too. And I saw a lot of these pants in the market, all priced between 500 to 600 rupees. These denim pants are really in vogue right now, and there was a variety of these pants in the market. There were kurtis in the market as well, all priced between 500 to 700 rupees. All these shorts were available for rupees 100, just perfect for your night wear. I really like these bags. They were of good quality and priced between 500 to 700. There was a lot of stuff available for home decor, and all these bags were really pretty and priced at rupees 650. Lot of antique stuff is there in the market, ranging from your clocks to your decorative items. I really liked these neck pieces, and they were all available between 200 to 400 rupees. All of these chains were available between 100 to 150 rupees, and he also had a nice variety of watches. There were some nice cotton tops and nice dresses for your casual wear too. I saw some nice dungarees too, all priced between 300 to 400. There was lots and lots of footwear for your casual wear, also for your formal wear. Colaba has a great variety of artificial jewelry, and you just need to match whatever you want, and you can match your earrings as well as your neck pieces with it. Lots and lots of footwear, ranging from your chappals to your casual shoes to your sneakers and boots as well. There are a lot of bangles available in the market as well, and there are a lot of bags that you can match with your Indian wear as well as with your Indo-Western wear. This is the best time to visit the market because there is great stuff in the market right now, and there is a great variety of jewelry, bags, western wear tops to your kurtis as well. And you get all of this at really reasonable prices. And this market is great for bargaining, so if you're a good bargainer, then you can get great deals too. The Colaba market is open on all days of the week, and it opens up at 11 a.m. in the morning and shuts at 10 p.m. in the night. So guys, with this, I come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then do share it with your friends, do press the like button, and do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. See you guys very soon with something really exciting. Lots and lots of love to all of you. Bye bye.